Welcome back to Cravings Adventures. I'm Ahmed, and today we're making a really delicious recipe with a really strange name. You heard me right. We're making chicken 65. Now, I know what you're thinking, Karen. You've made this recipe so many times, and I have. But this is an updated version that I'm hoping to share with you so you can make this for your family and friends. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos and you're wondering what the name is all about, there's many theories about how Chicken 65 got its name. Some people think that the chicken is made with 65 ingredients, and others think that the chicken needs to be 65 days old. The story that I've heard is that back in Chennai, there used to be an Englishman's mess, and basically they had many items on the menu and it was typeset incorrectly. And instead of it being item number 65 was chicken something, everything got mixed up and it basically got printed as chicken 65. The recipe was so delicious that the name just stuck. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with 2 pounds of boneless chicken cubes. I'm using chicken thigh meat, but you can also use chicken breast if you wish. The pieces are quite small, so they cook fast and they have more surface area for that wonderful marinade that we're going to coat it with later. I'm going to add salt to taste, one teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to crack 1 egg into this bowl. Beat the egg and mix everything all together. We're now going to fry the chicken pieces. My oil is heating up and I'm going to add the pieces in one by one into the hot oil. Once this is cooked, I'm just going to leave it aside on a kitchen towel to drain. I'm going to keep going until all the chicken is fried and ready. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oil and I'm going to allow this to heat up. Add 1 cup of diced onions. I'm also going to add 2 large green chilies, which I've slit horizontally. This is roughly 2 tablespoons. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to allow the raw ginger and garlic taste to cook off. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, and I'm going to mix this in. I'm also going to add some fresh curry leaves. This is about a 1/2 cup and the fragrance is absolutely amazing. I'm going to follow this with 2 tablespoons of chili paste or Sambal Oelek, and I'm going to add salt to taste. The unique red color in this dish comes from the use of red food coloring. This one is powder based. I've just mixed this in with a little bit of water and I'm going to add it in. Before I add the chicken, I'm going to remove half the sauce to give the chicken room to continue cooking with the sauce. I'm going to add a bit more oil and half the chicken. I'm also going to put a lid on this and allow it to cook. Make sure to coat all of the pieces of the chicken. This is now done, so I'm going to remove it and I'm going to work on the other half. Oil, sauce, and chicken. Allow it to all come together. And when it's done, this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chicken 65. I know it's a strange name, but it is truly amazing. Guys, make sure to share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. Make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment below. I would really love to know what kind of videos you like to see from me in the future. And also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.